Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to solve your Skewb cube. Actually, when you haven't seen a Skewb before, it's like really complicated to solve it, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you with just a few algorithms that Skewb is quite simple to solve. First, you need to know the rotations of this cube. So rotating it like this is the left, so this is L and L inverse, so L and inverse, and this is R, R and R inverse. So that's an important step before we're going to solve the cube. And the first layer is the only intuitive layer, and that's, well, you can choose any color. You can also solve it color neutral, but for this video I'm just going to start with the white. So solving the white is the first step. So we're going to start solving the white surface and also think about the edges being oriented correctly. So here we are solving, we're looking for a blue one. Let's see where it is. Well, it is over here. You can think about inserting like a 3x3. So when it's like this, you get it the wrong way. You have to rotate it away, bring it up again. Sometimes you have to do that twice, like this, and now it's correct. Here we are looking for a orange one that's over here, and here there's one already in the correct spot, so like this. And now what happens, like when it's like this, you cannot fix it, and when you're trying to, you're probably gonna break it. So what you do is that you rotate this away. So you rotate it away like this. Oh, sorry. So, and now you get like all the white edge pieces in the right position, and also the big white square. So now we're going to continue to the second step. In the next step, and you only need one algorithm to solve this cube. So it is quite simple, but you really have to know how to position the cube. So what you're looking for is these two headlights, and you're going to position these two headlights on the right side of your cube, and you're going to perform the following algorithm, which is R inverted, L, R, L inverted. And as you can see, you've now created all the corner pieces, and well, here's yellow, but this is still solved, and you got 4 yellow corner pieces in the right position. The other situation that can occur is that you got 2 of them positioned like this and 2 of them facing outwards. Then you want to hold it like this and perform the algorithm you already know. That's and now you got the case you want. So you got the headlights on this side, and you got 2 of them over here, and you can form the same algorithm again to get the 4 corner pieces oriented correctly. So like this. So now you've seen both cases that can occur when you're trying to solve the 4 corner pieces. So because you only need, well, speed solving, probably you need more rhythms, but in this beginner method solving the Skewb, you only need one algorithm. And what you're going to do is you're going to use the same algorithm we just did, and but we have to position the yellow square in the back. So we're going to perform it once to end this step. So to solve yellow, you have to perform it twice, but you have to rotate the cube. So, and I'm going to show you that in a second. So you're going to start with yellow in the back, and you're going to start with the same algorithm, which is R inverted L R L inverted. Now you're going to turn the cube yellow facing you, and we're going to perform the same algorithm. R inverted L R L inverted. And as you see, you've now solved the yellow square as well. So white is solved and yellow is solved. And we're gonna go to the next step. In the next step, we're gonna look for, well, here's one solved already, but we're gonna look for opposite colors. So in this case, blue is opposite to green, and we're gonna position the opposite colors, maybe, no. We're gonna position the opposite colors facing to you, and we're gonna perform the same algorithm again. So, and we're also gonna do the rotation you already know. So R inverted L R L inverted, rotate it once, R inverted, L inverted, R, sorry, L inverted. And as you can see, you now solved your cube. In some cases you have to perform this twice, so when there's two squares you already started solving. So in the case of this video it was yellow and white. Face them like this in the last step, and if there's already one solved, you can orient it like that one is in the bottom, and then look for the opposite and the opposite ones facing to you, and then perform the algorithm. So there's only one algorithm that can help you solve your Skewb cube. I hope this tutorial helped you, and see you again next time in a new tutorial.